Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook could not send in. To know how to fix Facebook could not send in, you should just go to settings here like this. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings as you see, and you will enter. When you will see this page here, you will go to find the application of Facebook and you will enter like this. Then in this page you will go down to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here, and after that you will go to click clear cache in down here, and when you will end this, you will go to click clear data as you see, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.